How to make your blog posts go viral. Some bloggers do it by accident when they make posts that suddenly go viral and popular on the internet. If you're looking for ways on how to make your blog posts go viral, however, then it's obvious that you don't want to make it by accident. Yes, you can proactively make it happen. First, pick the right topic. Some subjects are just built better for blogosphere greatness than others. Viral topics are either those that are useful or controversial. Issues where you can make a well-informed stand are good topics to initially work on. Keep yourself updated with current events and trends and jump on the opportunity once you sense the opportunity to strike. Second, do your research. A viral blog post needs content that is full of useful information. Unless you're well-versed in the topic of your choice, you'll need to research to provide this. Before you even write your first few sentences, make sure that you've spent about 10 minutes or so researching. This can also help you make compelling headlines and introductions about your topic. Third, dedicate time to your headline and introduction. Your blog post title and introductions are the first things that a reader is going to see. Your title and introduction should be catchy, informative, and concise. Take a look at past blog posts that have left a mark in your chosen topic and observe how their titles are constructed. Titles that shock but give appropriate justification later on often make it to the halls of fame. Fourth, interact. Blogs are good avenues for interaction with people that you would normally not talk with in public. The world is full of people coming from different backgrounds and opinions. Some of these opinions may contradict the position of your blog post, but take time to interact with them and grow your online home to a budding community. It's by this time when you've really learned how to make your blog post go viral. As an added bonus, you may have also established online connections that can last for years.